Hey ladies, thanks for tuning in today. My name's Chris and I'm from Mommy Knows Best. Mommy Knows Best is a brand dedicated to empowering all moms in their breastfeeding journey, and that's through support, tips, and products to help boost their milk supply. As of today, we've served over 1 million moms. Today I'm going to talk to you all about our lactation brownie mix. So a common concern that new moms have while breastfeeding is not having enough milk or having a low milk supply for their babies. So we set out to create a bunch of products to help boost their milk supply in a natural and delicious way. So we came out with lactation brownie mix in addition to our lactation cookie mixes for a new delicious way to help boost your milk supply. So making products like this on your own can be kind of difficult, especially as a new mom. So we wanted to simplify that process as much as we could. So we made it in this easy pouch right here where you just have to add some eggs and butter to it. Our lactation brownie mix has all of the ingredients traditionally used to help boost milk supply. So that's oats, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast. Another great thing about our brownies is it's guilt-free. It's loaded with nutrients that breastfeeding moms need. So you don't have to feel bad about eating it, and it's only 150 calories per serving. And each bag fills a 9x9 brownie pan. I'm also very excited to announce that we now have 3 different flavors of our lactation brownie mix. So this is our original double chocolate. We also included a peanut butter candy one and a salted caramel mix. So we actually surveyed the moms in our Facebook group and asked them which flavors they'd like to see most, and so we're so excited to announce these ones. I also invite you to check out our reviews by amazing moms that have tried these lactation brownies and notice a difference in as little as 24 hours. Mommy Knows Best not only has products to help boost milk supply, but we truly care about our moms and we work with them in empowering them every step of the way. This is through our Facebook group, through our Instagram. We just really want to educate and help moms as much as we can in their journey. For Brownie and other product updates, please follow us on Instagram at Mommy Knows Best. We are also available at Amazon, Target, Walmart, and Meijer. So we hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.